We've walked on the moon, lit the first light bulb, and helped land on Mars. We've gone through fire, smashed records and runways, and propelled people further than they thought they could go. For more than 250 years, we've been woven into the fabric of life. 2025 was a transformational year. We focused our portfolio, acquired a game-changing brand, and delivered against our commitments. We took bold steps to lead the future of apparel and footwear. We dared to reimagine the coats of tomorrow. Now, we're ready to be the coats of tomorrow and become the Tier 2 manufacturer of choice, driving insight-led innovation, rigorous sustainability, and impactful digital solutions across the apparel and footwear industries. Inspired by our customers and committed to our communities, thousands of passionate employees and partners around the world bring this vision to life every single day. Together, we're shaping what's next. Welcome to Coats.